today I'm going to unbox a intercom that's going to be connected to my helmet, and this one I ordered this from Shopee and delivered by JNC there. So hopefully what's inside is the intercom itself, because there's a lot of horror stories about receiving wrong items. And also, by the way, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you're already subscribed, please stay subscribed. Alright, so let's get it on. Oh, it's really the EJEAS Q7. Careful on opening it. Looks original though. So this is the box. EJEAS Q7 motorcycle intercom and Bluetooth headset. So it says here interphone system, stereo music, auto receiving phone calls, IP65 waterproof, and remote control. Q7 interphone. So let's try to open and check what's inside the box. The manual, user manual. Okay, so volume, such. Double click. Okay. Alright. So one manual, lot of languages. So here's the item itself. Oh my. I think this is the antenna. If ever the signal is not that good, so you can just raise this antenna and check if the signal is better or reception. So let's check what's inside. Alright, we got the earphones. This is the microphone. What is this? Nice. I don't know what is this, but I'll check later. So this is what's inside the box. The microphone with the headphones. You just have to stick this one inside your helmet. And then I think this is an extra microphone. I don't know. Yeah. Wait. An extra microphone. But anyway, I'll check the manual. What is this for? Maybe this is for the full face helmet, I think. And of course, some screws. And the charger itself. this is a USB Type-C charger or wire, so I think you can use your existing USB Type-C on this device, since mobile phones right now use Type-C, so you just have to use one wire for all of your gadgets. That's why the reason I chose this, because it has a USB Type-C charging or charger cable, and it's much faster to charge. So we have an extra microphone for, I think this is for the full face helmet, and this one is for another type of helmet, maybe half face, I think so, or modular type of helmet. Let's check. Contents. Antenna, volume, FM radio, USB Type-C, charging on the bottom, I think. Yeah, it is Type-C. This is the charging port. And it seems that the build is really waterproof, and it feels soft and premium when I hold it. Comes with English, French, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, and I think this is Japanese language manual. So procedure of installation is it. So let's double check the packing list or what's inside the box. So we have the host, we have the headsets and the microphone, or yes, microphone cable and soft microphone. So this is what we call soft microphone. And USB Type-C cable for charging, mounting clip. Oh, this is the mounting clip. Okay, so there you go. These are what you can see on the box. And actually I'll check this out on my Insta360 One X2, because I saw a review about like you're able to connect this one and have your voice recorded on your Insta360 action camera. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification icon for new videos.